Hi everybody, today I will teach you how to format the contents of your cell. To format any number of cells, you need to select them first. So selection is the secret. Whatever you select, the formatting that you will choose will be applied on your selection. If I need the formatting to be applied on the whole table, so I will select the whole table. And then in the Home tab, you can find several groups for formatting. Font will format the text. Alignment will format the position of the text within the cell, and number will format the data, the data type. I will start today with format font. In this group, all the options are for formatting your text. And when you see any group and there is a small arrow like this, it means that you can open a dialog box to have more options in the same group. For the format font group, from here you can change the font type to whatever the font type that you need. This is font size, so you can decrease or increase the size of your font. This increase font and this is decrease font. Both of these buttons are the same as this font size, but this will increase the font by 2 degrees. Will increase the font by 2 degrees every click, while this will decrease the font 2 degrees by every click. This is to make your font bold. Here is italic. Italize your font, and you can see. And here you can see underline. And underline have a drop down menu where you can choose underline. Its default option is underline like this. And this drop down, you can choose whether you need a single underline or a double underline. Now I choose double underline so you can see double line underneath the text. From here you can add border to your table. The grid lines that you can see in the Excel sheet are fake, which means by default they won't appear in printing. If you try to print by the default option now, you will find your data without any separating line. And to make your data more seems nicer, you can add a border. And from the border, you have many types of border. You can add partial border or complete border. Like you can add bottom border. So this will add a border at the bottom of the table. I can show you. You can see it now. The same here, it can add top border, left, right, or you can totally remove your border if you have another border. All borders would add a border inside and outside border to the whole table, as you can see. Outside border will add only outside border. Thick outside border will add a thick outside border. A border which the outside border will be thicker. You can see it now. You have also other options like bottom, double border, and so on, many other types of borders. And if you need to adjust your border, you can go to more borders at the end of the list. And this will take you to the border, to the format cell dialog box, to the border tab. And from here, you have many options. You have more options for adjusting your border. For example, from here, you can choose the style, whatever the style that you need. May I need this? And you can choose the color of your border. And from here, you can decide whether to add it, this style outline or inside. Also, you can add top, middle, bottom border, left, right, sorry, left, middle, vertically, and right border. For example, if I need to add the middle line to be like this, I will click here. So this only added. If I need it to be inside, I can click here. So all the inside border will have this border with its color. If I need another outline border, I can simply choose whatever the line style that I need and the color, and then I apply outside border and then okay. Now, as you can see, the inner border, the inside borders are the red borders, the red dashed border that I choose, and the outside border is the thick blue border that I choose. Take care, this text is bigger than the cell, and we will have a solution for it later. If I need to apply a different thing for the header row, I can just select the header row. And then you can choose the specific border for the header row. Let's add a bottom thick border for the header row. This is the fill color. You can choose the fill color for the selected cells. And this is the text color. You can choose whatever the text color that you need. This is format font. Thank you guys. See you next video. We will continue in formatting in format cell.